Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, eastern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, King County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Malta to Waterman to near Leland, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Aurora, Elgin, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Oswego, Algonquin, West Chicago, McHenry, Batavia, Geneva, Sycamore, Yorkville, Little Rock, Plano, Peru, Island Lake, Sandwich, Mendota, Genoa, and Oglesby. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado warning remains in effect until 11 p.m.